The next iPhone will have a different look when they are released this September. It seems from different displays on some models to a new strategy for its new generation processors, more advanced camera lenses, and a new thermal design to prevent overheating. Lots will be charging, and now a leak reveals that the bezel are going to be even thinner to become the world narrowest. Leaker Ice Inverse is on fire right now. If that's no an alarming contradiction in terms for someone with such a frosty name, and has now added further detail of what is expected. The new information began with a claim that relates specifically to the iPhone 16 Pro Max as opposed to the earlier post which only referenced the iPhone 16 Pro. For the large phone ice universe, the bezel on the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be just 1.153 mm wide, and like every iPhone display with Face ID since the launch of the iPhone X in 2017 will be expectedly the same on all four sides, unlike many smartphones which have a noticeably wider bezel on the bottom edge. For instance, this is dreamily thin, and it's worth noting that there is a limit to how thin a border can become. And the leaker has now published image with claim to show how much thinner the bezel will look. In a new post on X, they have said iPhone 16 Pro Max versus iPhone 15 Pro Max. The narrower and narrower bezel is very much to my taste, but the dynamic island show should be reduced, and the images show what's meant to be an iPhone Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro Max side by side. Even if you don't imagine a tiny reduction in bezel size can make a big difference, it is noticeably how much narrower the 16 Pro Max 16 Pro mock-up look. Of course, it's still true that if you put the iPhone in a case, so as so many people do, then if there's front lip on the case, that subtle change in bezel may be covered anyway, but maybe that's no the point. Making in iPhone looks even better than last year's model is lofty ambition that's worth undertaking. You can bet that if the images really do mean the next iPhone has the thinnest bezel of any smartphone ever, that this will further an Apple marketing of the handset.